I'm so sorry. I'm with my cousin and I just hit her on the head. And today I'll be doing mail time with 13 givers. So yeah, let's start. Let's start from the top, then go to the bottom. Yeah. Okay. First one is from Storm Wolf 28. She looks like a nice guy. But
oh yeah. Let's do it.
Master actually pretty good. Yeah. The same one. Wait, what?
What?
The same one from Storm Wolf 28.
Okay.
Blackout spikes are so good now. Okay, now one from Lady Cool Kitty Cat.
Oh.
She said thank you. Oh yeah, I said over gift. Oh. Said happy birthday is mine too. I never asked her. Why is everybody calling it a happy birthday? Oh yeah, because I told them it was my birthday. Yeah, Lady Cool Kitty Cat. Oh. Now one for Fox 1325. Here's your real gift. She must have sent me a fake one. Ooh, she. What? I just got a baby sponge. Where? Oh my god! Oh my god! How did you learn the name? Oh shit! I'm doing a video and you are doing a vid. And you gave me that. Thanks so much. I'm recording. Oh, I can't write the whole thing. I'll just write I'm record. Wait, what?
I'm record.
I'm vet. Sorry guys, this is taking forever. What? Wait, no, just start again. Okay. Oh my god, happy birthday. Of course, you can take me a necklace. Money is good from Piggy Soda Pop. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
How did you get your HD? I really want to have one, and we have to say B-Day. Oh. I still can't believe I got that. This one's from Shopkid, 82910. I don't know, but she looks really nice, so I wanted to get it to friend her. Of course it's a necklace. Crazy Dog Star. Pink.
Oh, that's nice.
Fox Girls.
Stegosaurus tail.
Oh.
What else?
I just screamed.
We do know.
Wait, I'm actually going to text her. I'm crying. I'm not, but let's just say it. Guys, I love this film. I'm crying in joy. I love this mail time now. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Whoa, that looks nice.
Fan fries.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I know. In Jamar, she was fake it. She sent me an I just literally threw the laptop. I threw the laptop and it did not break. this blackout one.
What? Why? That's a
I
good
don't
one.
care. She deserves it. She gave me better spikes. Oh my god, guys. So guys, that was the best moment of my whole entire life. Go follow. What? Go gift Foxmod325 because she has made my day.
Fabulous. Fabulous.
Oh my god. Yeah, so I was talking about let me just send let's say you are the best person in the world. I'm not there. My brother gave me his headdress and he said I'm only allowed to wear it and I have to give, sorry I'm just sending her lines, it back soon. And I have to give it back soon. So you have made me so rare. I'm not joking. Let me show you all the spikes I've got. Look at all of them now.
Yeah, and they're so rare. You're so lucky and they're so nice that gave it to you. The people that gave them to you.
It's a long spike. Guys, I actually love this person so much.
Yeah, that's why you're friends with them.
I was never friends with her before. I wasn't expecting that. Probably.
Now you're so good at typing, so fast. I can hear it as well. You're so beautiful.
Guys. Oh.
You're so lucky.
I literally threw the laptop.
She's so nice to you. Why did she give you that so rare one? She's really nice to you.
I want to see if she's in line. I don't know her name.
She's still.
Oh, let me just find her. Okay guys, that's going to wrap it up for today. If you enjoyed, please... What should I say? What is it? Say it then.
Subscribe!
So yeah, have a good day. And bye. Go.
See you later! Bye!
Make sure you go gift her. Wait.
What?
Okay. Yeah, bye.